What's going on, FMFAM? It's another fluffy short. So I got this baller ass Armada, right? And I'm saying baller ass because these Armadas are stout. If you take care of them, they will last you. This is a 2004. Okay, all it came in for was it hesitates to start. If y'all could see some issue real quick, I won't say exactly what it is. I do not recommend those right there. I turn the key thinking it's a starter, right? So I go click and I'm just holding it and then finally goes like, okay, damn, it needs a starter. That's just my experience with these VK56s. But as soon as I popped the hood, because I couldn't get it to duplicate, I'm like, what the hell's going on? So I popped the hood. Look at the battery. No, sir. No. No. Diagnosis stops there. We need to replace these terminals first.